together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to target weld from the sleeve down, or I'm sorry, from the shoulder down to the sleeve. And I'm going to do my best. Some of these may not weld all that well, but we can get close. We'll have some, maybe a triangle or here or two, but I promise we'll take care of those in due time. Okay, so I'm going to go just to that point there. Let's see. Let me take a look at this vertex here. I'm actually going to take that vertex and weld it down to here. That's going to create a triangle there. That's okay. And let's see. Go around the front. Go down to here. And then I'm going to take this one to here. Maybe move that across a little bit. Okay, so now we've got this sleeve attached. Now we've got a couple of areas that need a little bit of work. We could go ahead and get rid of maybe those edges there. But you know, I'm going to go ahead and leave it just for right now. Okay, we'll leave that alone. Let's go ahead and get the pit of the arm taken care of. So I'm going to control right click and go to Polydraw Extend. Oops, let's make sure that that is on the coat. For some reason that's disassociated again. And I'm going to pull these down, and I want to create a loop around the arm on this. So pull that down. Okay, kind of like that. And then we should have one right here. I'm going to try to pull that down a little bit more. Okay. So it's going to look something kind of like this. All right, let me pull this in a little bit more. Pull this down. And again, just trying to take care of that topology. Make sure my polygons are nice and even. It looks good. Okay. All right, so there we go. Now, let's get the rest of the arm attached. In this lesson, we're going to finish the sleeve of the coat. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and take care of these triangles that are at the top of our sleeve. Now we could go ahead and create a loop right around the shoulder, okay, that would wrap around, and that would kind of help out with some deformation there. Or we could simply just get rid of these segments that are created here. Now I just noticed that there's a little bit of an issue right here. We've got some polygons that look like they have been moved using the Polydraw Extend tool. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get rid of those just by deleting them out for right now, and then we'll repair the damage that it's done. So let's make sure that we get the correct polygon here. Sometimes it's a little difficult to select, and then you can see here that it got rid of some of that there. So let's go ahead and do this here. Let's control right click, go to Polydraw Extend, hold Alt, drag that down, and then we'll just bridge across from here to there. There we go. Okay. Now it looks like in this area we got a little bit away from the jacket, okay, on these points. And you know, all we really need to do is go ahead and just pull those back up. Now I think what happened with that is it was a process of using